If you're struggling with OneDrive's Personal Vault and keep seeing that frustrating error code 0x80070490, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and fix this error so you can get back to accessing your secure files without the headache. Let's dive straight into the steps, and don't worry, I'll walk you through everything clearly, even if you're not a technical expert. Our first method is a quick fix, resetting OneDrive itself. To do this, you'll need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Just search for CMD in your Start menu, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is important because certain commands won't work unless you have admin rights. Next, you'll type in Taskle OneDrive exe and hit Enter. What this does is force OneDrive to close completely, so we're starting fresh. Think of it like restarting your phone when an app freezes. Now copy and paste %localappdata %Microsoft \OneDrive exe reset and press Enter. This resets OneDrive without uninstalling anything, clearing out minor glitches that could be behind this error. Finally, restart your computer and see if you can unlock your vault. Sometimes this alone does the trick. If you're still seeing the error, our next step is to use Windows' built-in troubleshooters. Head to your Settings app, then go to Update and Security and find the Troubleshoot section. Click on Additional Troubleshooters, here, where we let Windows do some of the heavy lifting. First, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and follow any prompts it gives you. This can fix hidden update issues that might be interfering with OneDrive. While you're there, also run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter if it's available. Sometimes, older versions of apps or Windows quirks can throw things out of sync. Hang tight if these take a few moments to run, just let them do their thing. Moving on, we want to check your system for corrupt files. Corrupted Windows files can cause all sorts of random OneDrive errors, so it's smart to rule this out. Open Windows Terminal as an administrator. You can right-click the Start button and choose Windows Terminal Admin. Now type SFC and let it scan your system. This tool will try to repair any corrupt files automatically. Once that's done, enter DISM Online Cleanup image/restore health. This works a bit like a deeper clean, fixing problems that SFC can't. Restart your device after both scans are complete. Don't worry if these checks take a bit, they're just making sure your PC's system files are squeaky clean. If nothing's worked yet, let's try resetting OneDrive's account connection. Right-click on the OneDrive icon down in your taskbar and select Settings. Go to the Account tab and click Unlink this PC or Unlink Account depending on your version. What that does is sign you out of OneDrive on this computer, giving the app a fresh start. Now sign back in with your Microsoft account and reconfigure OneDrive, just like when you first set it up. Try unlocking your vault again. This often helps if your account settings were the issue. Last but not least, it's time to check for updates or consider reinstalling OneDrive. Head back into Windows Update and look for any pending system updates, since these can include important patches for OneDrive. If everything's up to date and you still have the error, uninstall OneDrive from the Microsoft Store or your system settings, then reinstall it. This is like giving OneDrive a brand new set of files to work with, which should resolve issues caused by broken app files. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to beat the OneDrive Personal Vault error code 0x80070490 and get your secure files accessible again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more help. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful tech guides like this one. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.